planting up my herb tower. I have already pre-assembled it because if you watch my strawberry tower, you already know what I'm going to do. But the reason why I'm making this video is because this is the basil that I got from the Dollar Tree. And look how nice that basil is. And I am going to take this basil and I'm going to add it to my herb tower. So I'm telling you, for this $1, this is going to be a good added herb to my herb tower. So next year I definitely will be picking up a lot of these little grow herb kits, because as you can see, and if you have ever been skeptical and wondered if this really work, well, here is the proof. Let me put it up to you close because you can actually see what it looks like. Got the cocoa core in there, and then you wait till the seeds just germinate, and then you just put it in a sunny location and just leave it alone. It takes a little while to grow these, so you have to have a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot of patience, because this basil takes a long time. At least it did for me. So I know for next year just to line them up on my windowsill. And I wonder if those little cups would fit under this basil. Let me see. Yeah. Remember the cup in my strawberry tower? Remember I said the bottoms of your little tower trays, they come with these removable caps, and it's the perfect thing to put your little Dollar Tree basil in. Perfect, because you can water it, it'll catch the water, and it will be no mess, no hassle. All right, I just was curious to see if these would work, but yep, they do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you me planting my Dollar Tree basil into my herb garden tower, and then I will put my tower together and let you guys see it. Are you guys ready? All right, let me get my gloves on. Because you know Miss Renee needs to have her gloves on. I know it's only for like a quick little moment, but sometimes you just need to have your hands protected. And gloves is always a good thing for that. So, let me tell you, being one thing is another. It's like something's always in my shoe. Alright, so let's get this planted. Let me bring it down so you guys can see. And I'm going to put it right here in this location. And I already made up my sign that says basil on it. So let's take this out of here. And I also noticed that this middle part of this stackable tray, you really don't have to put dirt here, because when you stack your trays up, you only see this part of your tray. So this is just a wasted space. Just a little tip that I found out while I was planting this. I was like always pulling the dirt from the middle to help plant the herbs. So I was like, I don't really need to have to use that, because that'll just save me some time and some dirt and some money, because you know I'm all about that. So let's put our basil herb in here. And this thing was ready to come out because it's like all over the place. So I'm going to push some of this up this way. Put it in there. Oh, and it smells so good, you guys. Well, I'm going to take my gloves off because this basil is just so tender that it needs to be hand put in. It's like a little baby. It just needs some extra attention. So Miss Renee is going to give that basil all the attention that it needs. So I'm going to just make sure it's all right. Then, like I said, I'm just going to pull some dirt around it. Tuck it in. And just let the basil do what it do. Alright, looks good. And I will water it when I put it in its place outside. That basil looks so healthy. It smells so good. Alright, let's put the tops on all this. Well, where's my sign? We will stick our little basil sign in there. It's so cute. Can't wait to show you guys. All right, let me put the top one on here. And then the rosemary is going on the top. So let me move it up some so you'll be able to see. This rosemary is a tall rosemary. So let me see if I'll situate. All right, let me see if I can get you guys so you guys can see what I'm seeing. All right, so at the top up here, I have my rosemary, and then here I have my basil, and then as I spin it around, right here I have my mint. Can you guys see that? I have my mint, and then spin it here, and I have my parsley, which is the English thyme. Not parsley, it's thyme, so it's English thyme. And then down here, I have some garlic chives right here. And then I have some more thyme right here. And then I got this beautiful purple basil. And then down here, I have my sage. So I want to get some more thyme because this year, like I said in my previous videos, I want to dry a lot of parsley, and I want to dry a lot of thyme. So my dehydrator is going to get a serious workout. Now, as far as this garlic chive, I've never ever grown these before, so we'll see how they do. And this is going to be an experiment for this herb tower, because I've never done an herb tower before, so this is going to be very, very, very exciting. But this right here smells so good. This rosemary and this basil, oh my goodness, it is heavenly. And this mint, I've got to get me some spearmint. I already have chocolate mint, and I want to get some peppermint, and there's one more herb that I want to, because I hope that this rosemary here, since it's so big, and I know rosemary gets really, really, really big, so I'm hoping that it covers this whole top with rosemary. And then I wanted like 3 types of basil. So I got a purple basil, and then I got just 2 of the regular basils, but I want to get another basil. And then I think I'll put like some marigolds and stuff down at the bottom, and maybe a little bit at the top until this rosemary gets big, just to help ward off some of the bugs and all the little creatures. But look at you guys, my herb tower is done. Now I just need to find a place outside on my deck to find its home and let this growing process begin. Look at this. Miss Renee is sweating. It is hot, hot, hot. But you know what? I'm not going to complain, because like I said in my other video, with my strawberry tower, we need the heat. Heat. We've been having cold snaps, and no, we don't want no more cold or none of that. So I'm not complaining. I just may look hot, and I may look a little overheated, but I'm thankful for the heat, y'all. Truly, I am truly thankful. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go because I don't want this video to be too long, and I still have to do some more work in my garden. So check. 2 projects checked off my list. 5 more to go. I'm getting there. Yay! And then it's sitting back, kicking back, get me a cold little something, and I'm going to just enjoy all my hard work that I have been putting in my garden. And you guys know I've been putting it in. Oh yeah, Renee has been putting in the work. Oh yeah. So I want to sit my little self down and relax and enjoy my garden. And I'm sure you guys want to do that too. All right, with that being said, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Bye, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. Woo! I think I need a break before I start stage 2 of my garden. All right, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.